Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at 12 Bridges Elementary School in Lincoln, California. This is my second time here. I was here many years ago, so for all the current students, it was the first time getting to meet them. At the home of the Tigers, here in the gymnasium where we had two assemblies for all the grades K through 5, but split them up into age-appropriate programs, K2 through 5, students and staff. And the main focus for today's message was diversity, and the sub-theme being need human kindness, right? Like it says on my shirt, the peace sign inside the heart. This is where peace has to begin. You'll also notice two people inside the heart, because kindness is not just about showing it to ourselves. We have to show it to others as well. And so important we do that, because sometimes people, even if they're in eyesight or earshot of hearing that kind word or seeing that kind deed, it could change their heart in a positive way, maybe forever, right? And there were a lot of pin drop moments throughout the assemblies today, where the students really did take that core message to heart about showing unconditional love without any conditions. If somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color, if they're born different than us, if they walk, talk, see, learn, hear different, we can still always show love, right? We can always choose love. We can always choose to show compassion, to accept, and to include others. And that's easier said than done, right? Because a lot of times our differences, they tend to separate us. We have those judgments, but it's up to us to get past those judgments, right? Because our closed hearts can sometimes shield us from meeting amazing friends, right? Maybe true, eventual best friends. And so that means that we have to also appreciate diversity, which is our differences. Could be on the outside, like some of the things I already mentioned, but could be on the inside too, our gifts, our talents, our abilities. And so if we're able to respect what's on the outside of someone and on the inside, now we start to kind of come closer together, right? We can grow and embrace that diversity and really learn from each other. And that's what makes this, schools like this so amazing, because if we were all the same, that'd be very boring. But the fact that we're all different, the fact that we're all unique, that's huge. And that also ties into this concept that I bring up in all my assemblies, but all of us with lines on our hands have the letter M, right? Trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. Have at least one on each hand, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And it's up to us to be able to see that in ourselves, right? And once we do, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart, right? And shine, that true kindness towards them. And so, again, it's just something that is heavy on my heart. This world needs a lot more kindness for sure. We know that just one act of kindness can start to really change things. I got to meet with the Tiger crew as well, and that was really cool. Just getting to kind of hear their stories, the leadership team here on campus, and what they want to do, to make kindness the new norm, right? That kindness is cool, and that they can do things on a daily basis. It starts with themselves, being that change that they want to see, and then going out and leading it, right? But to know that our young people are picking up that torch for change, it's very encouraging to people like myself. And, through the heartfelt stories that I shared, the positive music, the inspirational videos, the physical props, the visual aids, all that combined is how I was able to really, hit them at the heart level. And I said, look, if something did touch your heart, it means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. Keep shining your light. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.